scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Angular momentum changes can be tricky, but we will solve this bucket problem fast by looking at the net torque acting on the cylinder system. First, we calculate the torque from the handle by multiplying the 50 Newton force by the 0.3 meter radius. This gives us a positive 15 Newton meters of torque. Next, we find the opposing torque from the rope tension. Multiply the 50 Newton tension by the 0.1 meter cylinder radius to get 5 Newton meters in the opposite direction. Subtracting 5 from 15 gives a net torque of 10. Since torque equals the rate of change of angular momentum, the answer is 10. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush and trust given values to check steps.